Hey guys, James Brown from Brown Asset Management here, and today I'm going to do a walkthrough of how to invest in stocks using the Trading212 app. At the end of the video I'm doing a large purchase of a massive tech stock, so please stick around for that. Click subscribe to the channel below if you enjoy investing in personal finance, and leave a like if you enjoy the video. Here we are on the web version of Trading212. First I'm going to scroll down and talk about the different types of accounts you can use on Trading212 to buy stocks. These are the Invest and ISA accounts. I will not be discussing the CFD account in this video. Invest and ISA accounts are very similar, but the ISA account allows you to invest up to £20,000 a year tax-free, whereas the Invest account is subject to capital gains tax. As I already have an ISA with Vanguard, I use the Invest account. If you create your account using the link below, you will receive a free share once you deposit. When I did this, I received a share of Snap worth $50 completely free. Now if we click on the Open Account button in the top right, that gives us the option of two types of accounts, Real Money and Practice. You can use the Practice account to play around with the app, but if you're wanting to make some real money, then I recommend creating the Real Money account. Now I'll click on Real Money and this will give me a list of the country of residence I can pick. As you can see, it's got all the countries in the world, so I'll be selecting United Kingdom. I'll click Next. Then it makes me enter my personal details. My nationality has already been picked, so I'll enter my first name and my last name. I will just pick a randomly created phone number just because I've already created a phone number. Then I will select my date of birth in the bottom. I'll just pick something random again because I've already created the account, and then this is quicker, 1999, and then I'll click Next, and then this is the country where I pay my taxes. So once again I will pick United Kingdom, and now I have to enter my national insurance number. As I've already created an account, I will not enter my national insurance number. If you don't know your national insurance number, it is on your payslip. As I've already created an account, I can't go any further than this step, but it only takes a few more minutes to complete the process and have your account opened. Now I'm going to head over to the mobile app to show you that interface, as I much prefer the mobile over the web. As you can see, I've now loaded up the mobile app, and this is the first page of Trading212, which is the home page. This will display the total balance of your portfolio, as well as all the watch list you've created and any items you've added in the watch list. Now if we click on the pie icon, this will take us to our portfolio, which has the amount we've invested, the total return, as well as the percentage, a graph which displays the increase of the portfolio size over time. This can be changed based on the timeline below it. It also has all the investments I've made. If we scroll down, it will display all the investments that I currently have. This has the name of the company, the logo, the amount of shares that they're held, the total value of those shares, its increase and its increased percentage. At the bottom I can see the allocations that I have in my portfolio. This is good if we want to rebalance the portfolio or see if we want to increase a holding. Now if we click on the settings button at the end, I will show you how to deposit funds. If you click the big deposit funds button at the bottom, this will take you to the payment method page. As I've already set up my debit card, you can see that I have my instant bank transfer and my card details already set, so I will click on that, and now I can decide how much money I'm depositing in my account. I'm going to pick £1,000. Now I'm going to click Next, and it will take me to my bank app on my phone, so I will click Next again. I've deposited off screen, but now you can see my payments being processed, and it'll notify me once I'm done. This is very instant, so I've clicked OK. It'll just be a second for the payment to come through. As you can see there, the deposit's been successful and £1,000 has been added to my account. I'll now click the close button, and now I'm going to buy some shares. So this is the instrument search page. You can put in the instrument name or the instrument ticker. The instrument I'm going to search for today is Microsoft. This page has all the details about Microsoft, so you can see its name, its ticker, whether it's a stock or ETF, what country it's based in, the dollar amount, which is $215 at this current time, and the change in the last year, which is $56 and has gone up around 35%. Below that you can see a graph which shows the change in stock price over time. Below that you have the company details, which is a brief summary about Microsoft, its CEO, its employees, its industry. Then it has its key ratios, its market cap of 1.6 trillion, its PE ratio which is 37, its revenue, its earnings per share, its dividend. Then it has a brief financial summary. Information about the balance sheet. And information about its cash flow. If you click on the instrument details, it will tell you the ticker, the name, the market, which is the Nasdaq, the ISIN, the currency, and the current sell price, and the minimum quantity you can trade. If you click on the history, this will show your history with this stock. So if you've bought stock or sold it, it will be displayed here. As I have not bought any, it says no data available. Now I'll scroll at the top and click the buy button. So we can see the current price. I can now select the number of shares. I can do fractional shares and it'll show me the amount in the pound value. So I can do 0.4, 0.6, If I scroll all the way to the right, this will be the max amount I can buy, but because 8 shares will be more than my balance, it displays as red. So I'm going to lower this down and pick 5 shares, which is £792.51. As you can see, the price just changed there because the price constantly updates. So now it gives you a review order. It's a market buy, the number of shares, the cost, and the commission, which is free because we're on Trading212. So now let's send this buy order. This will be very quick because it's Microsoft, and there you go. Immediately the order has been executed. 5 by Microsoft at $215.72. Now below you can see your investment. As I've just bought, there's now a new section called your investment. It shows the total shares and the price that I bought them for. It has the return, which would be green in the positive and red in the negative, as a pound and a percent. So the gain and loss on the shares, and then also the FX impact. As I bought the shares in pounds and the shares are traded in dollars, this does have an impact. If GBP is rising against the pound, it will have lower returns when I convert it back to my local currency. On the other hand, if GBP is declining, then I will get more dollars for my pound and the return will increase. Something that you do have to be wary about. And then I can see the average price at which I bought it for in dollars and pounds, and then the current sell price. Now if I go back to investments, you can see that Microsoft's been added. 5 shares for the amount I bought, and my allocation has changed, as now Microsoft is now my largest holding. I now own 16% of Microsoft in my portfolio. Then if I scroll to the top, you can see my portfolio size has increased, the amount I've invested, the graph is updated, and my return is also ticking as well. If I click on the balance at the top, I can see my total account value with the breakdown between free funds and portfolio. Right guys, that's how you invest using Trading212. Make sure to sign up using the link below to get your free share. Please like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.